Affiliate marketing versus AdSense or YouTube monetization. So which one is the best way to make money? Well, I'm going to answer that question by showing you inside my YouTube analytics and some other stats from some affiliate marketing that I've done or that I do here on the channel. So you'll probably be able to figure out which one is better, but I'm also going to give you my opinion at the end of the video. Of course, I'm Gary Baker, 30minutemarketing.net. Let's go ahead and jump on the computer and get right into this. So here we are on my YouTube channel. As you can see, my channel analytics right here, if I click on analytics, you can see this channel is monetized. So I do earn some revenue from AdSense or from YouTube putting ads on my videos, or more specifically, advertisers using the YouTube platform to put ads on my videos. So while that is a great way to make a little bit of money, if you have the right strategy, affiliate marketing can also bring in money on those same videos that you have monetized for AdSense. Now let me explain that and show you here along the way. As we move into more analytics and dive a little deeper, I'm going to show you an actual video where I specifically made the video as a review as an affiliate for the product. So we're going to go up here and we're going to search for that video, and you're going to see that video right here is called Recurring Rockstar. I'm going to go ahead and click on the analytics for that video and just show you inside. And you can see here that your estimated revenue on that video was $2.59. That means for the lifetime of that video, and this video started September 8th, that's when it was published, and this is September 19th, so it's been a few days, that's made me $2.59. So in this case, affiliate marketing versus AdSense, $2.59 for ads, great. I made $2.59 because this video is monetized, meaning I allowed other people to put ads on my video via the YouTube platform. But let's take a look and see how much money I made from this video as an affiliate marketer. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to hop into details, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the way this is set up so you understand the process and the steps that you have to go through to actually do affiliate marketing from a video like this. So here you can see in the details, what I have is in the description, I actually have a link, and then of course, here on the channel, we talk about marketing all the time, specifically direct response marketing, where I have an actual call to action, say in the video, as I'm providing you content or a review like this video. I would simply say link in the description and the pinned first comment, click on that to learn more about. And in this case, you can click on that link and you can learn more about the exact strategy that I'm teaching you right now. So back to this right here, set up your own membership, click here to get your bonuses and Recurring Rockstar. So of course, if you want to see this in action and how it actually works, if we actually look at the video, you'll see this in action, and I'm going to show you that. And I'm also going to show you a diagram to explain it as well. So you can see right here when this video starts to play, we'll go ahead and pause that. You can see that this is an advertisement and video will play after your ad. This is how ads work, are overlaid over your video. So this is the way I made the $2.59 up to this point. So what does this look like in the big picture of using this video for affiliate marketing? Let me go ahead and show you a diagram to explain that. So here's what this looks like as far as when customers or potential customers or people that are looking for answers. Of course, that's what YouTube is about, right? YouTube is a search engine. People come to YouTube to look for answers or information, and your channel is giving them that information or those answers. Of course, if your channel is specifically about entertainment, then it might be a little more difficult. But if you're a channel like this one, where it's a how-to channel, specifically how to do marketing and how to make money online, it's very simple for me to create titles and descriptions, and then people want to look for that. For example, in that review was specifically, the search intent of that review was to review the product. So people are looking for a review of that product. So again, potential customers come to YouTube. In this case, they search for Recurring Rockstar Review, which was the name of the product. The customers find that video, they watch it. I come with a call to action. Check out the link in the description, pick up my bonus when you purchase, right, in that video. And then those customers click on that link and they land on the bonus page. I can collect them here in my leads database, meaning I can follow up with them via email or text or messenger, depending on however I want to follow up with my customers in my lead database. Or that bonus page can just go directly over to the affiliate offer sales page, which in this case, that is what it did. And I'm going to show you that right now. So again, here we are inside the video recurring rockstar review. And if you continue to play this, you'll see right here that you'll have the ability to skip this ad for Google My Business. Or in this case, this is actually a non-skippable ad, so you have to let it play. And then you can see right there that my video starts just like this video started, with me saying, hello, how's it going? Let's review Recurring Rockstar. Of course, then a link in the description. Here's that bonus page that I just showed you in the diagram. You click on that, it takes you over to that bonus page. And of course, I can use this bonus page as well to send people to from my email list, from my Facebook group, from my Facebook page, LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever. I can reuse this page right here. But you can see here that it's a bonus page with a buy now button. And of course, when they click on that buy now button, once they see all the bonuses and they go through and they're like, for sure, I want to pick this up, they go ahead, they click the get now button, and it's redirected them to the actual affiliate offer, which is the sales page for that affiliate offer. Again, that looks like this. Customers here, or potential customers, find that information, your information on YouTube. They watch your video, they follow your call to action, they land on your bonus page, then they're redirected to the affiliate sales page offer. And of course, what does that look like on the actual affiliate sales page offer, the marketplace where this product is being sold? Let me show you that as well so you can see all the numbers, and we can come to that conclusion that we talked about at the beginning of the video: affiliate marketing versus AdSense or YouTube monetization. Which one, or what's the best way to make money online? Let me show you some statistics from the actual offer here that I made via my video, via my bonus page, and then the money I actually made as an affiliate marketer for this product. So this product was promoted, or this product is being sold on WarriorPlus. And as you can see right here, this is the stats dashboard. If you go into affiliate, you can look for your offers, but you can also click here on affiliate daily stats, and you can click right there on more. Of course, if you'd like to learn more about WarriorPlus, there's a link in the description. As always, I try to fill the description with the most useful information, which is either links to blog posts or links to everything I talk about here on the channel. In this case, it'll be more videos where I talk about specifically about WarriorPlus. As you can see right here, Recurring Rockstar, there was one hop already. That's probably the hop where I just clicked on it for today. But if you look at this month, what you'll see is you'll see other things that I'm an affiliate for, but we're focused here on Recurring Rockstar. And as you can see right there, this month, again, this is September 2020. You can see I had 42 hops, which are from that bonus page, which are being redirected from that bonus page when potential customers click to go over to the affiliate offer sales page. And you can see that I have 8 sales with a 19% conversion rate, $2.22 per hop, $11.91 per sale, for a total of $95.24. So here you're starting to see the numbers, and they're starting to make sense to you. If you're following along and you're really thinking about it, $2.59 versus $95.24. Which one, in your opinion, go ahead and leave me a comment. Which one do you think at this point makes the most sense? Affiliate marketing or AdSense, meaning YouTube monetization? Well, $95.24 versus $2.59. So I'll go ahead and give you my answer. Of course, affiliate marketing is the way to go. You'll definitely make more money with affiliate marketing, especially in the information products, or when you're promoting information products with a commission rate typically 50% and sometimes larger, especially if there's a launch going on. Sometimes you can make 100% commission as an affiliate. So while affiliate marketing is definitely the winner in this case, as far as the amount of money that you can make, potentially the amount of money you can make, don't forget, part of being on a platform, specifically part of being on the YouTube platform, is the fact that once you get monetized, you do make a little bit of money just for the content that you create. So think about in the fact of your YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel about? Some of your videos, a majority of your videos most likely, are going to be helpful content, useful content where people are searching and they find your videos. Just like here on 30-Minute Marketing, I talk about how to make money online, and lots of times I do videos like this one, which don't actually have anything for sale as an affiliate, or that's not the primary focus. Of course, if you'd like to know exactly what I do and how I do it, there is a link in the description that explains that. It's a free training that you can go through, but that's not really the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to talk about affiliate marketing versus AdSense or YouTube monetization, and which one's the best way to make money online. So let's go back to YouTube and look at some more analytics and think about that. And don't forget this number, $95.24 is the amount of money that I made from that one specific video that we're going to look at again. But again, the point of that video, the reason I made that video, was to review a product with the intent of letting people know that the product is good, that I have a bonus for the product, and that I have a link, and if they use my link, they will get my bonus. And again, that's part of the strategy of affiliate marketing, or one of the strategies that you can use in affiliate marketing. So let's pop back over to YouTube real quick and look at some analytics. So here we are back in YouTube inside of the video that we're talking about here, the recurring Rockstar review video. And you can see here, if you go into analytics, you're going to be able to see some of the things that happened. Specifically, we're talking about your estimated revenue. If you click on revenue, you'll be able to see right there that I made $2.59 based upon the views that I have. But you can also see that the playback-based CPM, which is a number that's based on the total number of views or 1,000 views, this is how much money you could make per 1,000 views, or this is how much the advertiser is paying. The RPM is actually how much you're going to make per 1,000 views, and then the estimated revenue is based on the number of views out of that 1,000. So again, you can see $2.59 based on the number of views, because there's only a certain amount of people, meaning this is very niche specific, this review video. But what if I made a video that has a broader audience? Then which one matters, affiliate marketing or YouTube AdSense? And to do that, let's go back to the complete channel analytics and look at some revenue numbers. So here we are at channel analytics, which are the analytics for your entire channel, and we click on revenue. Here you can scroll down and you can see some revenue numbers, and here's what we're focused on in this screen of the analytics, which is revenue. Top earning videos. Here you can see how to promote ClickBank products. This is an informational video. This is a how-to video about how to promote ClickBank products. So there's really no call to action. There's really no hard sell or me talking about the link in the description or me having a specific bonus. This is more of a general content video. Of course, there is a link in the description and the pinned first comment for every video I do. That is part of marketing that I follow, or the strategy that I follow, which is direct response, to make sure that there is a call to action in every video, or at least I try my best. So you can see here these numbers. Again, this is straight AdSense or YouTube monetization. You can see this video made me $36.64 over the lifetime of that video, and it will continue to make me money. Now we could dig a little deeper and we could look at the actual revenue based upon all the links that are in the description and how many links they are, how many products are being promoted per video. And of course, that is the real strategy, and that is where my opinion comes out. And I'm going to tell you right now, the best way to go about this, specifically when you're talking about YouTube monetization and Google AdSense on YouTube, on your YouTube channel, and affiliate marketing, is to combine them both and get the best of both worlds. Meaning, as you build your YouTube channel, you're creating useful content, you're getting the money from the advertisers, because advertisers are going to spend money on the YouTube platform, and the majority of people that are on YouTube aren't going to pay for the premium service, so they're going to click through the ads, or they're going to watch the ads and you're going to make money. Now, does that take away from your channel? There's some schools of thought that thinking, well, if I'm specifically making videos as an affiliate marketer and I let ads run at the beginning of my video or in the middle of my video, or if I let people place ads all around my video, then that's going to take away from my video and my chances to earn an affiliate commission, and that may be true. But in my opinion, I think you can strike an even balance, and you can utilize YouTube monetization or Google AdSense, or what they call Google Ads now, and affiliate marketing, and you combine, and when you combine them, you get the best of both worlds. So go ahead in the comments, let me know what you think. You think affiliate marketing for the win, Google AdSense, or getting YouTube monetization? Do you think that is how you're going to be able to make the most money? And again, this is not for everyone. Some people do YouTube just because they want to do YouTube, and YouTube monetization allows them to do that because they get a huge fan base and they get a huge amount of views. Here at 30 Minute Marketing, I'm never going to get that many views, and I think that the balance that I've been able to strike so far between Google Ads, YouTube monetization, and affiliate marketing is definitely the way ahead for me and this channel. And other channels I create, I'll make sure I take all that into account and make sure that I understand what is the intent of the person that finds that video. But most likely, it'll always be affiliate marketing that'll make me the most money because I'm using YouTube as a marketing channel. It is my media of choice out of all the current ones, and the ones that I've found are the most effective because video gives you that power, again, of this one-to-one conversation where I'm actually talking to you right now on this video and sharing my thoughts on this topic, again, which is affiliate marketing versus Google Ads, Google AdSense, YouTube monetization. Which one's the best way to make money online? I say combine them and you'll get the best of both worlds. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the videos you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.